The track connector, it's an all metal construction. There are 4 screws set in here. Hey guys, Brad here. Today we're going to take a look at Festool's track connector. These are key if you're cutting anything over 55 inches. It only makes sense to buy some track connectors if you want to do some long cuts. Now, when I'm doing long cuts, it's typically on a deck. So I might connect 4 or 5 tracks together, and that means I need a bunch of these track connectors. The track connector, it's an all metal construction. There are 4 screws set in here, and you just need a slot screwdriver. So I always keep just a spare little slot screwdriver with my kits. That way I can connect them. So let me show you how you do that. You just take your first track, you just flip the track over onto its front, and then you slide the first track connector into the T-slot. Now you want to screw this tight, just like that. And what's happening is, and I'll show you on this one, when you're screwing these in, it's just coming through on the other side. So it's pushing against the track. So next we'll slide the second track in, just like so. And you really want to make sure that this is nice and tight. And then we can just tighten these up like that. And now you're ready to get cutting long pieces of material. It's that simple. So I highly recommend getting some of these. They definitely make, cutting down sheets a lot easier, or decks, or whatever you might be doing. All right guys, hope you liked the video. Keep on crushing it. We'll catch you later.